Hello everyone, Merry Christmas in July. We begin my series this July, and this is the first time I use this new die set by Spellbinders. It's North Pole Friends, designed by Simon Hurley. I'm sure you've seen this last month. It was released last month, and I'll have the link below for you. And today I'm using it for the first time because I was on vacation, and I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful bag here. See, the flaps are hidden. You don't see any of the flaps or anything, so very clean if you use paper that is not double-sided. And guys, this die set is going to be used here on my channel over and over again. I love this snowman. Tons of sentiments, so this is great for your cards or any project that you have. Here is the full die. It's 21 dies. You have the little snowman here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentiments, guys, with banners, which is amazing because you can use it in so many different ways. You don't have to do the whole pole like I did here, but just use it on your projects, your cards, everything. The pole, so 21 dies, it's a must. It's called North Pole, and I'll have the link below for you. And today what I'm going to show you is how, this is a decoration, but how to make this bag. As you know, in my craft fairs, I always have an area on my table called Christmas wrapping and packaging, and people go crazy. And this box, I'm sure this bag box, I'm sure it's gonna go really fast. So it's really a recommendation for you. Easy to make, very quick, you will see. It's just a matter of how you decorate it, okay? Beautiful die set. I'll have the link below for that. And let's go to the tutorial now. So what we need for the bag is a piece of paper, just one, that is 12 by 8. And you'll see how simple this is. We're going to, on the 12 side, we're going to score at 5 and 7, okay? So 5 and 7. And then we're going to turn, and we're going to score at 2 and 6. So I'll go all the way down, 2 and 6. And all we need to do now is some cutting and gluing, of course. And I forgot my scissors. I'll be right back. So we're going to fold it first, just so you see what it's looking like. You know, I always run everything that I'm going to do for the video so I don't forget anything, and I sometimes doesn't. It's not enough, I guess. So we're going to cut on the long side here, these two flaps. It's exactly where you scored on both sides. See, that's the scoring lines here. That's where you're going to cut. Sometimes it's hard to see with the light here. And I'm going to just nudge it a little bit, cut at an angle. It usually makes it easier. See, like that. So do the same thing on the other side. And we're done with the cutting, guys. Now, that's what I love about this bag here. It's easy, and if you change the measurements, you can make this in so many sizes. So there you go, that's what we have. And basically, this is what we're gonna do. We're going to glue this together like this. See? Fold it in like that, and we have our bag. So before we do that, I think I want to decorate first. At least on the top here, I'm going to make this the front. Let me zoom in for you. So this is going to be the front, so I'm going to glue this right here. This is just a piece of paper that I cut, this is 4 inches, just for decoration, and I cut it with, I have this border paper cutter. So that's what I used. And Here, my dog just came in and made a lot of noise. Sorry about that. He wants to walk, I guess. I'm gonna close the door. Okay, I'm back. I had to close the door because you left it open. So, just for decoration. So I'm gonna put that. That's gonna be the front of the bag. And we have our beautiful decoration here from the North Pole collection, North Pole Friends collection. So I chose these sentiments here. Santa's Workshop, Toy Shop, Merry Christmas, Let It Snow, and Merry Christmas again. So the idea here is I'm going to fold it. It makes it easier because you know what we have here. The front is right this piece here. So I'm just gonna do that. So I know that's where I'm going to place. So I have my snowman here. I'm gonna put these two. They're gonna be holding hands. Okay. So I guess this is good right here. Yeah. Perfect. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be back, okay? So I have the front all decorated and I on purpose left some of the parts out here because I think it's cute, like the top here of the pole. And yeah, so decorated, all we need to do now is to put it together. So we're going to start by, I want this to be the front, so this is going to go like that. So basically what I'm going to do is to put this here. Let me just think. Yeah, I'm going to do this the other way. So I'm gonna, if you glue it like this, see, then the flap won't show inside, then you can cover it later. So that's what I'm gonna do. So you put some glue right here. And this is the back, so we're going to glue, let me show you. I'm going to glue it like this over the back. Sorry, I'm moving paper around. So here, it's right here because I want to cover the flap with the front, okay? You can see the flap here. So basically, we're going to do this here. And same thing on the other side, we'll put some glue. So we have the back, and now we're going to put glue here and just glue it on the top. See, there are no flaps visible because I'm going to hide the flap with the front. That's one of the best ways to do it because I don't like when the flaps show inside. I know some people don't mind. It's personal preference, I guess. But I would rather hide it if I can. So I'm just going to flip it up like this and then use my bone folder to press it down like that. Especially on the edges, put a lot of glue because you don't want it to be flipping. Okay, we're just going to do the same thing. And then the last thing we're going to do is to add, there you go. Look at that, we have our beautiful bag. This is 2 inches, 5 and 4. 2 by 5 by 4, okay? How gorgeous is that? But we need our handles. So handle is very easy. So this is 8 by half an inch, okay? 8 by half an inch. And we're going to put it here like this, like that. So all we need to do is just glue. And what I did was I used my corner rounder here and I rounded, and I'm going to just do one more here to show you. This corner rounder is a must, guys. I show you this all the time. It's inexpensive and it rounds in 3 different widths, which is perfect. So I'm just going to put it right here. And then the last thing we're going to do is just add a little bling. You guys know I like my bling. So I'm just gonna put this here. I think that's good enough. Hold it for a minute. And we're going to add some bling, okay? Some bling. So also, just to break the fibers of your paper a little bit, it makes it round the paper, and it's just easier. It makes it look like a real strap. So handle or strap, I don't know which one, but either one, I guess. So we have that, and I'm going to add one of these, this medium size here. Medium or large, let me see. I think I'm gonna use the large actually. The red large one. There you go. Just a little bling because it is Christmas, see? Little diamond. Doesn't hurt. And here's the same. We have our beautiful bag, guys. I love it. Yes, Christmas in July. We're going to start working very soon. Oh, I know there's Halloween coming up, but you know that my second semester is full of ideas for your craft fairs, because I know a lot of you do craft fairs. And guys, this is one of the stamps that I'll be using. So, oh, not sorry, one of the dies that I'll be using all the time, because it comes with so many sentiments, and these guys are gorgeous. So yeah, so that's it for today. Here's our bling. Please let me know what you think. I love my little bag, and you know that for craft fairs I always have a section of wrapping and packaging, and it's all my boxes. Practically, I would say 90% of my boxes sell. I'm sure this one will be gone in seconds. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And please do subscribe and like and all of that, because it helps the channel so that I can continue doing free videos for you. Okay? Thank you so much, guys, and you have a wonderful day.